Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to share a Quizlet link. Now if you set privacy is if your set privacy is set to private, other will see an error message when they click your link. So click on basically study set on Quizlet, then click the edit pencil icon uh, if you find it somewhere. Okay, so pencil you will find here where you see these horizontal dots. Click on it and then you have here edits, like so. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, okay, here at the left top you will see private button. Click on that and then you will see manage access. So visible to everyone, or you can also do user with a password if you want a little protection. So let's say for this one it's not necessary. Editable by you can users with password or just me. Let's say just me and save. All right, then done. All right, and now what we can do, we can share with people. So next to these horizontal dots is share button, and here you have your link that you can share now with your friends, teachers, whatever you want. And yeah, this is basically how to share a Quizlet link. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the